To log into the UK LLC TRE or Trusted Research Environment, you will need an installation of VMware, your username, a form of two-factor authentication, and a password. Your username and two-factor authentication will have been provided to you by support at UK LLC by email when your account was created. If you have not already been sent a password, go to portal.ukllc.ukserp.ac.uk/request-new-password and follow the instructions there. You can download VMware Horizon Client by going to portal.ukllc.ukserp.ac.uk and pressing the Get Client button on the right-hand side of the page. When ready, open the client by returning to the portal page and clicking Launch Platform. First, enter your username. If you have a YubiKey, insert it into a USB port, click on the passcode field on the VMware client, and then press the gold button on the YubiKey. This will automatically enter your code into the field. If you've been sent a QR code for two-factor authentication, you will need to install a mobile authenticator app. We recommend FreeOTP. Open the app and scan the QR code provided by the UK LLC team. Please do not share this code with anyone else. Next, type the 6-digit code generated by the app into the passcode field and submit. Then enter your password. Finally, select UK LLC Floating Desktop to enter SERP.